Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today, guys, we're in beautiful Mandeville, Manchester, in a one place them call name Nose Road. Yeah, man. So take a view of this beautiful area, guys. Please tell me what you think about this area, guys. You can leave it in the comment section and tell me what you think, so we can interact on this channel. You know, Mandeville is a very cool, nice area. So big up on yourself anywhere you know watch from, yard and abroad. Big up on yourself. Enjoy the tour with your tour guide, Fire Reid. So guys, when you're in the Nose Road area, guys, it's about 7 minutes drive to Mandeville town. It can be very less than that, depends on the speed you're driving. Look at this beautiful area, guys. Yeah, man, I'm talking to you guys. Leave a comment in the comment section, and always remember to like up the video free of cost. I know many people don't get a chance to show you this area, guys, and I take the time out show you what I go on a beautiful Mandeville, Manchester, guys. Very nice area. If you see any house for sale, you have an understanding how to get around this area, guys. Very nice area. So guys, you all can tell me what you think about Mandeville or St. Elizabeth. Which one of the parish is more better to live? Yeah, man, leave it in the comment section and tell me what I go on if Mandeville or St. Elizabeth. Which are them place you live? Yeah, man, I prefer to live in St. Elizabeth because St. Elizabeth is the bread basket for me. When you do St. Elizabeth, you get a lot of different types of things in St. Elizabeth. Everything that St. Elizabeth people. But in Mandeville, it's a very nice, cool climate, guys. Very nice, cool climate.